Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and store Bitcoin step by step. First, you'll need to select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. There are many options available, so do some research to find one that suits your needs. Next, you'll complete a Know Your Customer or KYC verification process. This usually involves providing identification documents. Finally, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to your exchange account. Once your account is set up and funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the Buy section of the exchange. You can typically enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire or specify a fiat currency amount like $100 to spend. Always double-check the transaction details, including any associated fees, before you finalize your purchase. This ensures you understand the total cost. After buying Bitcoin, the next crucial step is secure storage. You have several options. An exchange wallet is convenient, but it means you don't fully control your private keys. Software wallets installed on your computer or phone give you more control. For the highest level of security, especially for larger amounts, consider a hardware wallet. These physical devices keep your Bitcoin offline, protecting it from online threats. To keep your Bitcoin safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange and wallet accounts. This adds an extra layer of security. Crucially, back up your wallet's recovery phrase, often a 12 or 24-word seed, and store it securely offline. Never share this phrase with anyone. Finally, remain vigilant against phishing attempts and always verify the authenticity of websites and applications before entering any sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.